Okay, Mitch Miller here, your host of Disability TV. We just wrapped our last hike of the season in Ohiopyle, got home, and I've been trying to think of new content. You're looking at the back of my house here. New content for Disability TV, the channel. And I thought, I'm a contractor. I'm pretty skilled in most things of fixing houses. I'd like to partner with another contractor or contractors to do some projects on my house. And I was thinking that I could wear the GoPro on my head for a 7 or 8 hour day, or however many hours it takes to complete the project. I don't know if anybody would watch it or not. I could put it in a playlist, and you could watch a full project instead of having it edited down to a nice half hour episode. This would be just raw video of us figuring out different projects and doing them. So you can message me on the channel if you think that'd be interesting, something you would watch or watch parts of, and I could always edit it down later into a more concise show. But so that's my idea. I have a couple little projects I'm going to do on my own around the house: install a toilet, fix some window frames, and I'm probably going to capture those and put them up on in the spring. But this is a large project I would need another contractor's help and tools with. It involves the back of the house here. As you can see, there's a post on my back porch. I need to rip up this back porch and put Trex decking in. Let me just show you that rotted floorboard here. And this post, I'd like to jack up the house and put a vinyl post in instead of this wood post that's cracked and starting to deteriorate. I'd like to the framing underneath this back porch is somewhat rotted and it's been scabbed on, so I'd like to shore up this framing under here, replace all the deck boards with the plastic Trex decking. Then I'd also like to cut some specific holes in this roof and this ceiling and run wiring from inside the kitchen, from the basement up through the kitchen to a switch, run some wiring up to this is our master bedroom up above here, and I don't have any plugs on this side of the house. So wire a plug in on this side of the master bedroom, which we can access if we cut holes in this ceiling. Then run wiring to a switch inside the kitchen for a motion sensor light, and maybe another outlet box out in the middle of the house here where I can plug in some overhead string lights and maybe run those with a switch. So that's pretty much the entire project. It involves some wiring, some structural stuff, and it's a little over my head. So if you know a contractor that would be interested in helping or giving an estimate based on this video, I'll save up my money and pay a contractor if they're willing to work with me as an assistant, and we'll tackle this project together. And I have many other projects on this house I'd like to pair up with a contractor. I'll even make them a commercial for free, involving the back porch and how it looks before and after. And of course you'll be promoted on the Disability TV website, channel. So the whole show is a promotion, plus you'll get a 30-second commercial, and I'll pay you for your time if you give me an estimate on what do you think it would cost to do this project. So if you know a contractor, maybe a contractor that's has a mental health disability like me, or maybe has kids that are disabled, or a spouse, I'm willing to work with whoever, even if they're not part of the disability community. I just thought it'd be more fitting. But either way, usually everybody knows someone with some kind of disability, so it affects everyone, and I'd like to team up and do that. So let me know if you'd be interested in the show. Let me know if you have any suggestions for contractors that might give me an estimate for this. I'll keep saving my money up and be ready to tackle these projects, and keep your eyes out for my individual projects I'm going to tackle.